thank you, Mitch, sa flower. First time ko makatanggap nito, so appreciated talaga. Thank you!
Guys, meron tayong bagong friend. I mean, hindi ko siya bagong friend, pero ngayon yun lang siya makikita. Please welcome.
What's up, madam people? I'm just being myself and I. Wow. Kumusta kayo? Ako na naman to. Charas.
Thank you, Mitch.
Mitch, thank you so much for this flower. Thank you so much for this flower.
Ako na naman to, guys. Namiss niyo ba ako? Namiss niyo ba ako? Kasama si Mitch.
Sobrang bagay kay Sir ng red, no?
Yeah. Ako si Perella.
Hindi pa rin.
Pero ang favorite color ko, guys, is purple.
Oh.
Thank you, Mitch. Thank you, Mitch.
May nag-attitude.
Hi, sabi ni AJ. Because I love Encantadia. I'm really fanatic of Encantadia. As you can see, I have my tattoo here. It symbolizes an air gem, which is from Lireo.
Sa sobrang,
Inherited by, Haraduri Amihan.
sa sobrang niya, pagka-idolize niya sa Encantadia, ayan na si Imo ngayon. Sa sobrang taga.
Meron na mga brilyante!
Diba guys, hawig na hawig, hindi lang yung boses.
Oh, hindi, grabe.
Like-
Actually, ako yung behind. Bawal to eh. Nasa kontrata na bawal sabihin. Pero, grabe talaga.
Actually, diba, yung last episode kagabi, dalawa si Imo.
Correct lang si Email. As you can see, this is the link.
Yeah.
Hindi. Watch ka na Encantadia, subscribe.
Guys, we're walking around UP. Papunta na kami sa UP Health. Kasi magpapa-check up na si Josh. Ang tagal namin bago nakaalis dun sa Dili Mall. Kasi malandi kasi itong katabi ko. Nakakaasar. Alam niyo ba guys, sinundan niya pa yung crush niya.
Sinundan? I didn't sundan him. I just throw that.
What? You did what?
I just put the bottle inside the trash bin. That's it.
And then,
Kasi ako yung sinundan niya. Minsan lakad niya, nakita mo na sa escalator. Ang layo, tapos biglang nasa likod ko na siya.
oh my God.
Kasi he's stalking me.
So, we're here inside the pharmacy. Kasi, hindi kami makakapasok ng hospital kung walang mask. Hospital ba yun? Uy, gusto mo may ice cream.
Si Mitch pa naman, hindi siya bibili hanggat di kami bibili. Dumedepende siya muna sa ibang tao bago siya. Kahit gusto niya yun. So yun, bibili kayo. Pag hindi na rin siya bibili.
Kasi nga guys, may mga bagay o pagkain nga na boring kapag mag-isa ka lang.
Pero Mitch, ano yun mo? May mga pagkain, may mga bagay pagkakataon na mas masarap na ikaw lang mag-isa.
Nangigilom ka. Vlog mo to. What is this? Bilang ko ba lang? Sorry po. Nakakahiya sila.
Just kidding.
Guys, if you saw for four na thank you po guys, let me explain. Kanina there's this something new para sa akin. It's the Asintibook. And then alam ni Josh yung history niya, or grabe sa history, pero basta kilala siya ni Josh and first time ko siya nakita dito. So, in-explain niya sa akin lahat. Nag-research pa siya para may proof and such. Hindi pala nagre-record.
Stress ako. Ang dami ko sinabi kanina dahil. Ang dami ko na parang Kuya Kim na
From
ako
that
dito.
up. From that up. Hold the mic.
So, hi guys. Ako na naman ito. That's Line of Sky. So actually, the Asintibook originally came from Bohol. Na siya eh, na-record na rin siya ng UNESCO. If I'm not, UNESCO
Di mo na-mention
Heritage.
kanina.
Yeah. Pero totoo yun, UNESCO Heritage na siya. Ito kasi siya, sabi dito sa internet, a rare, artisanal, and traditionally crafted sea salt from Bohol, Philippines nga, often called the dinosaur egg for its unique, hardened and rounded shape formed within a clay pot. So it produced by filtering seawater through charred coconut husk, creating a briny, smoky, and slightly fruit flavor that is highly valued for finishing dishes. Kasi nakakamangha naman talaga siya, guys. Kasi napaka-creative ng pagkagawa ng sa kanya. And it looks like this. Wait, I'll show you the picture. Siya.
Thank you po.
Ayan. Di ba mukha siyang dinosaur egg?
And guys,
Grabe.
tinikman namin kasi.
Sure,
Sure po.
So, we're gonna see.
Okay po. Okay guys, so kanina, na-shred siya sa cheesecake ni Josh. And then, we're gonna get the strawberries.
So, guys, can we hear at Sunflower Restaurant?
Yes, in Dili
I'm
Mall.
going back here tonight.
We're not going home.
Yeah, sorry. Though actually, I cannot stay longer because not totally longer. I have rehearsal in UST around 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Yeah, because I'm a busy person. Technically.
Guys, they gave us a free croissant. Kasi na-review namin si ating barista. Nangingi siya ng reviews and then she gave us a free croissant. Thank you so much, Sunflower. Bistro and Bakery. Di ko mabasa, I'm sorry. So, we have si Sky, hindi siya nag-order ng drinks kasi walang matcha. Ayun lang yung downside nila guys. Konti yung options nila ng coffee. Pero masarap. So, I ordered Spanish latte. I'm so sorry. Spanish latte and then carrot cake. Sa carrot cake, hati kami ni Sky kasi first time kong magka-carrot cake guys. Dapat kukunin ko yung strawberry shortcake pero gusto ko mag-try ng something new. So, hati kami sa carrot cake and then Josh has a burnt cheesecake with a asin tibuok. And then we have a free croissant. Thank you so much. Ang arte ko magsalita kapag kasama kita.
Girl, it's not even playing me. Let me try it.
Try it.
So we're trying my cake. This is a burnt cheesecake. It looks like this when you grab it on your spoon. I'm gonna taste it. My goodness, girl, it's really complimenting. You need the sweetness and the salt. It's really good. You should try. I'm not making echos. Taste it na be. It's really good. Hindi ka magtakot. Okay.
I'm gonna taste the carrot cake. I'm gonna try it kasi first time ko siya. So.
Okay. I'll try the carrot cake as well.
It's good.
Carrot cake is good. But my cake is really good than that
Can I
carrot
try?
cake. Go. I swear, Mitch. Hindi ka mapapahiya. Hindi ako mapapahiya sa'yo.
The burnt cheesecake. Go, girl. Go.
See? Walang echos.
The best.
No echos. No echos at all. Are you? Is it yours? What can you say about the cake?
The best.
Sabi sa'yo eh. No.
The carrot cake is good, but I like the cheesecake better.
I told you. As a food critic, I do this a lot. As a food critic, I do critics in Paris.
Pares.
Just kidding.
Palasan sa Jerry's.
You should try this. Try it now.
Guys, ang sarap ng cheesecake, I swear.
Try. What can you say?
Melting. Melting! Alam mo na sobra.
Really, nag-melt siya.
Mm. Ano yun nasa baba niya?
Ano yun? So, mismong pie niya yun. Burnt lang siya. Yung salt. So, di ba, it's really complimenting. Nagka-combine siya. It's really, the combination is there. I know. Napaka ng reaction, no? But it's really good kasi hindi ko siya maiwasan na masabihan na it's really good.
For real, guys. You should try.
Grabe. Pag ako nainis na naman, bibili pa ako ng isa.
So, can you explain? Ano
Which
yung
one?
assignment?
Well, just to let you know, me and Michelle,
Just to let you know.
yeah, we're the same course. We're both DA. No, because I didn't grow up in Cali A.
So, this is Josh. This is Josh.
This is real me.
Yeah.
My name is Osh now.
Osh. So, this is Osh.
My name is Osh. At school, they
How
call me
about
Osh. Ito talaga kami sa Cali, guys. Ibang-iba kami sa, alam mo yun, nakasanayan.
Can
Like,
you
what the
please bring
fuck?
back
I mean-
Osh?
So actually, Osh is really different with Alas. Yeah. They think I'm so maarte, but I'm not. This is just the real me, the real side of Osh. Actually, they call me in the school like the Wizard of Osh. I don't know why.
Really?
Yeah, the Wizard of Osh.
Why?
I don't know. No, not really. Because we do a lot of performances during class.
Hey, have you tried the acting recitation?
Not wait, we did a monologue last
Yeah,
time.
that's
We did a
we call it
yeah.
acting recitation.
Oh, acting recitation.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hello.
Wait, do you have too much cameras right over there? It's so crazy.
Okay. Basta bash tayo, no?
Uy, kami lang po.
Arte naman ng mga to.
Sorry. Kala ko naman.
Anyway, I should explain your
Oh,
homework.
sorry. So my homework was like, my assignment, it falls under the subject of, production methods and stage management. So basically, it's right over here. Golden Touch. The title of this story is Golden Touch. So here's the setting, characters, scenery, and props, production notes. So basically, what we do here is like we do the cueing. I I did not able to do this in my previous homework because I don't know what to do. For this subject, I guess you have to put the go, standby, and
Yeah.
exits. But I don't know how to do it. That's why I'm asking Michelle's help because she has a lot of experiences in terms of theater thingy. Right? Am I correct?
No, I mean like I'm done. I already did that. That kind of homework and activity.
So
It falls on stage management. Actually, yesterday we did a moving exam. It's
wow.
where the prof asks you like, I have this tool
Okay.
where siya magpo-follow up stage management,
Mhm.
lights and sound, tech, moving, actors, director, writing, something like that. And you only have 7 seconds to answer.
What the heck?
And it's really good.
Really?
Sa experience ko, everyone is just focused. Everyone is focused.
Well, I'm really competitive in naman. In a good way naman, but not in a bad way.
Yeah, pero someone's judging.
True. Ano ba? Akala mo kaganda. Ayan siya. Very black.
Someone's judging us.
Ingay ng bunganga. Pupunta na kami ng Sunken Garden para mag-relapse. Sakit. Hindi pala. Para tumambay lang and then mag-picture-picture.
No, may assignment si
May assignment daw si George. So, tutulungan ni Michelle. Bakit?
No, you're gonna help him.
Ano?
Di ba
Bakit ako?
magbo-ballroom nga siya?
Bold lang. Ay,
One who's, studying there right now.
email ko ako. Okay?
You know why, guys? Josh can't stop talking.
Yeah.
And that's why we love him. That's why we call him a sunshine.
Sunshine.
The sunshine of the
Aw.
group.
They told me that I look like a sunshine because I have corte now in face. 8 rays.
if we get one or two copy, we can get an only copy from this. And hey, harap ka here. This is the sample. It's cute. So mag-a-avail kami nung newspaper. Oh. Guys, tignan nyo naman. Pinwestohan na nila yung supposed na pwesto ni Kuya.
Hindi naman siya makapagtrabaho.
Kuya, sabotahe. Pero anyway, guys. Ang cute ng mga pictures namin. Guys, alam nyo, ayun yung sign namin ni Josh na nag-hi kami sa isa't isa. 1, 2, 3.
Girl,
You know why?
with the face.
You know why? Can you explain? When we were drunk, Josh was like, Mitch!
Ah, did I do that?
Yes!
Oh my God, I cannot even remember.
Tapos, I said na kapag mag-hi tayo sa isa't isa, gano'n na tayo. Hi!
Ganun.
With the laway.
True.
With the palsy.
Loko-loko. Guys, take a picture in this booth because it's really good.
Yeah.
Take picture na po. It's 150 per newspaper print and
Yeah.
2
2 for-
pieces for only 250 pesos.
Yes.
That's so nice. And I got no, we availed the 251, but there's one
You can also take a photo unlimited.
true, which is like this.
Yes.
And I
We
got
took a lot,
3.
guys.
I took a lot. Totally. Oh, we don't have pictures na apat tayo there.
Yeah.
Meron isa.
Kuya, I'm getting a frame.
Okay.
You have Mariana?
Okay.
You
Na
have
arte na ni Kuya. Meron na yan, Kuya.
And we're getting your IG too.
Ala,
Okay.
ayaw namin.
Kuya, the lights ha. Put the light. Thank you so much.
Anong page niyo, kuya?
Page
The
2.
timeless.
Kuya, kayo yung nasa SM North? Basta nakita ko to sa TikTok, but wala akong idea na meron kayo.
Hindi ko alam. Pero kumaha sa... Hindi siya
Guys, picture na po kayo. It's only for 150 pesos per piece. And with
You can
frame
get the
po,
only.
only take pictures there with only fries and drinks.
You
Ang
can also
ingay
get a
natin.
frame.
Ang ingay
only-
natin. Diyos ka Lord. Ate, picture po kami. Sky, dali. Ang tagal mo. Thank you. Are you from UP? Oh my gosh. Thank you so much for this
It's so pretty, ate.
truth. How old are... Yeah, sure. Sky, dali. Kunin mo. Kunin mo yung wallet ni ate. Hindi. Saan? Kahit saan. IG will do. Give the IG. May booth po kayo dito? Photography. It's okay. Pero mano kami. Di ba? Sabi sa'yo eh. Nakailan ka na kuya ha? May tubo kami dyan. Say hi ate. It's okay. Say correct. She's so good Samaritan here. Cause